everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we are going to talk about something that I've been waiting for in Google Calendar for so long: appointment schedules. So do you have those times as an educator when you need to schedule parent-teacher conference, or you're an instructional coach needing to schedule meetings with your teachers? And even further, you might be in the business world, not even in education, or a consultant working from home, and you're looking for a quick and easy way to have people sign up for appointments. Well, Google Calendar has finally come through. I'm so excited. And they've come through in a major way by adding appointment schedules. So prior to this, there was a feature in Google Calendar called appointment slots, which was a little cumbersome, and nobody really wanted to use it. But with the new upgrade, appointment schedules in Google Calendar is definitely going to help make your scheduling needs much more efficient. So come over with me to Google Calendar and I will show you what it all looks like and how to set it up. So here we are in Google Calendar, and in order to start using appointment schedules, you're going to have to enable it. So what I'm going to do is come up here to my settings gear. Up here on the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on settings and then click settings again on the drop down menu. And then you're going to look over here on the left hand side and look for appointment schedules. Now some of you will not see appointment schedules as an option. So this rolls out sporadically to various domains little by little over a few months time or a few weeks time. So right now my school account has this option, but my Tech Imaginations business account does not have it yet. So I had to come over here to this account to show you. So when you see appointment schedules, go ahead and click on it and it'll drop you down to that section of the menu, and then look down here for appointment schedules, and then you will want to make sure that this box that says create appointment schedules instead of appointment slots is checked. So I'm going to check mark that. At the bottom it will tell me that the settings are saved. So then I'm going to just use my back arrow and go back to my calendar. So now that I've enabled that option, I can come up here to create, where I would normally go to create an event. Now I can create an appointment schedule. So if I click on appointment schedule, it's going to show me all of my appointments here, and I can scroll through week by week and so on. So let's go to this week. Now, before I show you some of these other things, I'm going to go down here and notice this repeat weekly option. I tend to not use that. I put it on do not repeat, and then it gives me the option to add the days that I want. If you leave it on repeat weekly, then it's going to put all of those dates in there. So if I want to make this for certain dates, say maybe I'm making parent-teacher conferences for just Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of this one week, I don't need my appointment schedule to repeat weekly. And in most cases, or at least in my role as a tech coach and instructional coach, I'm going to make the days of availability that I want to make and not have them repeat weekly. Now, if you're a business person and you have office hours at a certain time and you always have those times open, then the repeat weekly option is going to work for you. So I take it off and make it say do not repeat. So then I'm going to come up here and make sure I add my title. So I'm going to make this my instructional coaching orientation. So maybe this is the beginning of the year and you're starting to meet with new teachers. Or you may be a teacher starting to meet with parents during quarterly conferences, and you may make this a parent-teacher conference or quarter one conferences. Then you can decide how long you want it to last. You have several options here. I'm going to leave mine on 30 minutes right now. So now notice here you can add dates. So I can add a date here, and let's say here is May 30th. So I want May 30th as one of my dates. Maybe I do not need April 27th right here, so I'm going to remove that day. Now, on May 30th, I'm going to be available from 9 until, let's say, 2. Then I'm going to add again I can add times, I can do various other things, and I can add another date, and maybe June 1st. Again, I'm going to be available from 9 until 2. And then you can add more as you go along. You can add another time period for the day, or you can X out. So here, the scheduling window, this is the maximum time in advance that they can book an appointment, or they can, maximum time before that it can be booked, so 12 hours before. I tend to not necessarily use that one. Then you're going to come down here and you have some settings. So you're obviously going to want to add some time between appointments. So if I have these 30-minute appointments, 9 to 9:30, 9:30, 10 to 10:30, you're going to want to leave you some leeway time there. So check mark this box and say I might want 10 minutes between appointments. And maybe I want to limit it to 3 bookings a day. So then I'm going to click the next button once I have all of that filled out. Click next. And then it's going to have you check your items. You can even choose a location here. You can make it a Google Meet conference. You can make it an in-person meeting, a phone call, or you can update it manually as necessary. Or you don't have to put anything. You can do a description. This meeting will be an introduction to the coaching process. Okay, and you can tell more about what it is. Now, here is where you're going to decide what you want them to fill out. It will automatically record if they're logged into Gmail getting this notification. Then it's going to record their name, first name, last name, email address that is associated with that Google account. Okay, and you have other things here. Then if I hit save, it saves it, and then you can open your booking page from here, or right here, see this little duplication paper right here? You can copy the link, and then that link you can paste inside of an email, put on a website, what have you, in order to share the information with your participants. And then if I open my booking page, I can look at it, and then I see all of these slots here that I've had open. So if I go over here to May 30th, here are the slots. And if you have ever signed up for an appointment through another website called Calendly, this is going to be similar to what it looks like. So now, if I'm a participant and I want to sign up for Wednesday the 1st right here at 11 a.m., it's going to confirm, and then I'm going to hit book, close, and notice it takes that off as an option. But then, if I come back over and go refresh my calendar and look down here, it's going to have that come up on my calendar when it refreshes. It takes just a few minutes for that to activate, and then it will show up. So that is Google Calendar appointment schedules. Again, I'm so excited that Google has finally come through and added this as a feature. Much more efficient and user-friendly to use. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you learned something about Google Calendar that you can find useful and that you're excited about using in your teaching, in your business, or what have you. But be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech learning needs. And I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.